That's our helicopter!
Is it now? I'm sure you have the proper documentation for that.
Just give it back. It's ours. You guys are bullies. They can't be bullies. They're nerds.
Don't pigeonhole us. We can be both.
Is there an issue here?
Uncle Cam, I got this.
Oh my god, it's Alex Dunphy.
So awesome.
What's the problem here, boys?
These geeks won't give us back our helicopter that we took from Ruben.
Is that right, Abraham?
Oh my god, she knows your name.
A helicopter, please.